Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to export a timeline on Asana. This is incredibly useful when you need to share project data with stakeholders who aren't on Asana, or when you want to analyze your timeline information in Excel or Google Sheets. Let's start by opening Asana in your browser. Once you're logged in, you'll see your sidebar on the left side of the screen. Click on your desired workspace or organization from this sidebar. If prompted, this ensures you're working in the correct account, especially if you're part of multiple teams or organizations. Next, navigate to the project that contains the timeline you want to export. You'll find your projects listed in the sidebar under your workspace. Click on the specific project to open it. This brings up all the project details and various view options. Now look at the top of your project screen where you'll see several view tabs. Click on Timeline to open the timeline view. This is the visual representation of your project schedule that shows how tasks are laid out over time. It's important to be in this view to ensure you're exporting the timeline data correctly. Once you're in the timeline view, locate the drop-down arrow or Project Actions button. You'll find this to the right of your project name at the top of the screen. Click on it to reveal a menu with various project management options. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Export or Sync. This option is your gateway to getting your Asana data out of the platform and into other formats you can work with externally. Under the Export or Sync section, click on Project Tasks CSV/XLSX. This will initiate the export process for your project timeline data. Asana will prepare your information in a format that's compatible with spreadsheet applications. Finally, you'll be presented with format options. Select either CSV or XLSX, depending on your preference and what software you'll be using to open the file. CSV files are more universal and lightweight, while XLSX files maintain more formatting and are ideal for Excel users. You also have the option to export all custom fields, including multi-home tasks, which is helpful if you need comprehensive project data that includes tasks appearing in multiple projects. And that's it. Your timeline data will download to your device, ready to be opened, analyzed, or shared with anyone who needs it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.